So to keep the roses blooming, just cutting off the dead heads. We don't want it to seed. We want it to produce more flowers. So just going round, deadheading the rose. It looks a lot better, and then it's going to encourage it to send out some more lovely flowers.